Sooner Standards, Law, Ethics, and the Digital U, a complete grades 9 to 10, Level 1, Computer Science Unit for Oklahoma Standard L1.IC.SLE.03. Students learn to evaluate the social and economic consequences of how law and ethics interact with digital privacy, data, property, information, and identity, and explain where a real outcome met, fell short of, or exceeded a reasonable ethical standard. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints, plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltonses of no prep instruction across 44 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers, Pay Teachers,